Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. Can Fresh Roof be used on roofs with solar panels? Absolutely. In fact, using Fresh Roof on your roof with solar panels is one of the smartest decisions you can make to protect your investment. Applying Fresh Roof extends the life of your roof, which means you won't need to go through the costly and tedious process of removing your solar panels for a roof replacement. When you apply Fresh Roof to a new roof with solar panels, you can potentially double its lifespan. This significantly boosts your savings as you avoid the need to dismantle and reinstall your solar panels for a new roof. Fresh Roof doesn't just protect your shingles. It also ensures that your solar investment stays intact and continues to operate efficiently for years to come. With Fresh Roof, you're safeguarding your roof and maximizing the return on your solar investment.